In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more columns in Notion database. If you've ever needed extra space to track more details in your Notion setup, adding columns to a database is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it so you feel confident doing it on your own. Start by opening the database page, or the specific table, where you want to add more columns. This could be a full-page database or an inline table inside a note. Once that page is open, look at the top of your table. You'll see the header row, which lists the names of your existing columns, like name, status, or date. These headers sit across the top of the table and help you understand what each column is used for. Now, move your attention all the way to the right end of the header row. You should see a small plus icon at the far right. If your table has many columns, you might need to scroll horizontally to reach it. On some screens, the plus appears when you hover over the end of the header row, so slide your mouse there if you don't see it right away. Click that plus icon. The moment you click it, Notion creates a new column for you, positioned to the right side of your existing ones. This is the fastest way to expand your database without changing anything else on the page. With the new column in place, give it a clear descriptive name by typing directly into the new header. Choose a label that tells you exactly what the data will be, such as priority, owner, or budget. Press enter when you're done. You can always rename it later by clicking the header again, so don't worry if you change your mind. That's really all there is to it. A few quick tips as you work. If you don't see the plus icon, make sure you're viewing the database as a table where headers are visible. If the table is shared and you can't add columns, you may need edit access from the workspace owner. You can also drag the new column's header left or right to reorder it, and drag the edge between headers to adjust the width so everything stays readable. If you ever need multiple new columns, just repeat the same click on the plus icon for each one. And that's how to add more columns in a Notion database. Simple, clean, and efficient. Thanks for watching, and feel free to practice this on a small test table to get comfortable before updating your main workspace.